Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today we'll be looking at else statement, which is else. You can see else condition or else statement. Now let's do talk about if condition. So in this topic we'll be talking about else condition. Else condition. What does else condition does? I'm going to make reference to our previous video. We can see that x is 7, so here we are trying to see whether 7 is greater than 8, which is false. Okay, what if we want to do something else? If 7 is now greater than 8, we still want to get an output. That's where else come into play. I can say else print not. Okay, here the script came here on the run. We know that s is 7, so it's saying is 7, which is here, greater than 8. No, we know that 7 is not greater than 8. 6 is not greater than 8. Here is false. That means it's going to say 6 is not greater than x. Let me run this guy. When we run this, we're going to see not running. This guy run. You get s is just in case s is used in a situation whereby if statement is false and want to do something else, and want to do something else with if this guy is not true, want to run this guy, that's what make use of else statement. For example, let's say y is equals to 3. Let's say z is equals to x plus y. 7 plus 3, that should be 10. So is z greater than 8. If you have getting any confused, this is what I did here. This is x, right? And s is 7. So here is 7. This is y, and y is 3. So here is 3. Just say 7 plus 3. 1 is 10. So z is 10. It's like saying here is 10. You get? So that is 10 greater than 8, which is true. So we're going to get this guy to run. Yes, you can see run because this statement is true. And when for else statement, you make use of else statement in a situation whereby the if statement wasn't true, and then we can throw it to else statement. Example, if we're looking for a particular name, let me use an example. Let me say name is Peter, for example, and then if name equals to Peter, print running. Okay, sorry, I've made to the same. If this name is what Peter, you just say if Peter is equals to Peter, this guy will run. Can see going to get running. Let's say in this situation, I use it in a situation whereby you want to filter out names. You want to get a particular name, whether if your particular name is matched with a name. So in a situation where we want to know if John is in a text or is in a file, we can make use of this. Let's say, okay, let's for example let me write John here, John. So name is equals to John. So here is going to be John. Is it equals to Peter, which is false. If we didn't use this else statement, nothing is going to be printed. Let's run it. We are going to get running. You get? But if this else statement was not here, we're not going to get anything on the screen, as you can see here. As you can see here. So this is, since this guy is false here, we can this guy get wrong. Since the if statement here is false, is not true. This guy is the next in line to run. So this is one of the basic way if statement can. The other complex thing we can be used, but just know that for if statement to run, what is here must be true. If to use else statement handles tend to run when the if statement is false. So I think this is one of the basic thing we need to know. So I think we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have anything if you have any other thing I need to add in this video, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section below. I'll do my best to check it out. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.